Hello, it's Diwan, and I appreciate you taking the time to explore this product review. Do you want to clone yourself or any expert into an AI avatar chatbot that can mentor clients, close leads, and grow your business 24/7? If so, you need Aicoaches, the first app that lets you create and customize your own AIcoach avatar in minutes. Before we delve into the review, I want to mention an exciting opportunity. If you're interested in working with your own personal internet marketing coach to guide you towards earning up to $10,000 per month online through a simple copy and paste method, check out the first link in the description. You can acquire the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. Upon doing so, I'll be providing you with 3 fantastic bonuses that will significantly enhance your experience. Bonus number 1, Master Instagram Product Launch with Ease. Unlock Instagram success with our Instagram marketing. How to launch a product on Instagram guide. Elevate your product launch with proven strategies and maximize reach on this visual platform. Bonus number 2, using ChatGPT for marketing power. Supercharge your marketing game with ChatGPT for marketing. Learn to leverage ChatGPT for content creation, engagement, and strategy refinement to stay ahead in the digital landscape. Bonus number 3, step-by-step guide to start your 2024 marketing agency. Discover success with how to start your marketing agency in 2024. This guide equips you with the latest strategies to launch and grow your own agency. Turn your passion into a thriving business in the evolving marketing landscape. These are exclusive bonuses available only through my link. While they could easily be sold for hundreds of dollars, I'm providing them to you for free to help you maximize the potential of the product and achieve success. Elevating your game is my priority. These bonuses will be automatically delivered to you inside Warrior Plus or JVZoo when you grab this product. Now let's kick off the review. With Aicoaches, you can turn yourself or any public figure into an AI avatar bot with customized knowledge, personality, and appearance. Train your AI coach on specific topics by copying and pasting text, adding YouTube videos, text files, and more. Customize your AI coach's linguistic likeness, coaching style, and widget design. Integrate payment processors and let your AI coach sell products and accept payments. By using Aicoaches, you can save time and money by automating your coaching and lead generation process. Scale your business and reach more clients without hiring more staff. Provide personalized and engaging coaching experiences that increase customer satisfaction and retention. Generate passive income by renting out your Aicoach avatars to other businesses. So what are you waiting for? Get Aicoaches today and start creating your own Aicoach avatars in minutes. Aicoaches is the ultimate solution for anyone who wants to leverage the power of AI to grow their business. Don't miss this opportunity to get Aicoaches at a special launch price. Click the link below and get Aicoaches now.